Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the fast scrolling feature for your files and coding projects in the Visual Studio Code application. So let us guide you through this. So let's assume, guys, you have a file here on VS Code with your coding project, and the code is very long and it exceeds that page. So you would need to scroll further down to see all of its content. And there's that feature here on VS Code to enable or to increase the scrolling sensitivity to enable the fast scrolling. This is how we can find it, or we can find it, click into that gear icon in the bottom left and then navigate to settings here, choose text editor, and then guys, you will need to scroll down. And you can also use, of course, the search bar here at the top and type in fast, and then you will see the fast scroll sensitivity, right? So you can enable it by entering a value here. In the editor, it would be set to 5 units on default, but you can also customize that setting here and enter, I don't know, 10 or something like that. And then the fast scroll sensitivity may be used in your editor when pressing Alt. So you can leave it like that. You can also click into that gear icon to the left and reset that if you like to the default setting. And then guys, once it has been enabled here, what you want to do is, for example, of course you can do this also for your workbench, the terminal, and so on and so forth. But for the editor, guys, what you want to do is, as previously mentioned, press and hold Alt on your keyboard, and then this will activate the fast scroll sensitivity in alignment with the value you entered there, right? So that you may scroll faster through your text or your codes here, right? And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.